so it's not bookish. It's I've been there, done that, and so I know exactly how it feels. And so this is from my personal experience. And before we get into it, I just want to set a common understanding for all of us. So when we have a string of losses, the first thing that we go through is frustration and self-demeaning and loss of confidence and the emotional toll associated with all of it. So constantly you are trying to second guess yourself, whether the review process, you're you're improving the process, not you as a person. So that's the critical difference that one should make. Whatever happens, don't ever start blaming yourself or consider yourself unlucky, blah blah blah. It's not, it's just one aspect of you, right? It's not who you are. You are defined by people around you or your family or whatever. It's not by your trading success. So that's the most important thing. So we have around 10 minutes left for questions or clarifications. Please go ahead.